Garfield Elementary, we created a project where we asked all of our families to showcase how they're feeling and coping during COVID-19. Each family created a poster that showcased their families. Here are some of those amazing posters. We have a school full of amazing artists and families. Thank you so much for making these beautiful posters.